Kentucky girl, in the holler she stays, loves her Lord and her simple ways. With dogs by her side and family tight, every dawn she greets morning light. Diamond painting in a cool night breeze, horses running free where shadows freeze. Fairies whisper where the greenery grows, grace in her heart as the river flows. She loves Jesus and gives him praise, grateful for life's graceful faith. Color green, her favorite scene, in a world where faith is king.
Hello, all my superstars out there. Hope everyone's doing well today. This is Sherry at KY Philly Diamond Painting and More. If you're new to my channel, welcome in. If you're not new, welcome back. I'm so excited. I'm in my craft house. So, we have started doing videos up in the craft house. Before long, I should be able to do lives up here. I'm so very excited. It is still quite a mess, but I was able to get a table cleaned off and feel good about it. So that is a step in a positive direction, and I'm just so thrilled. So anyway, still lots of things to go through here. You know, still organizing, finding homes for things. We think we find a home for something, then end up having to move it because it's just, you know, it's not in the right place. Anyway, I am so glad to be here with you guys today, and I so appreciate you guys taking precious time out of your day to be with me. It makes me so happy. I have some Temu for you today. It's not a lot, just a few little things that I found, and so I wanted to share them with you. So give me just a second, and I'm just going to pull this. This is what we're going to do. We're going to move this over. We're going to move it over. And I'm going to just start pulling things out. Okay? And I don't even know what's in here. So let's see. Let us see. Okay. You guys know that Vanna's Crafty Designs she has a theme for every month. And she's doing the vintage stores and stuff. So I got into that and said I wanted to join and I wanted to be a part of that. And so I have participated the last month and this month. But I keep finding these things, and she just got me hooked. So anyway, let's see. I'm going to give this a roll to the side here. You see the drills came pre-kitted up. This is a 40 by 40. A lot of mine are 35 by 35, but I got them, a lot of them on Amazon. So these are from Temu. And y'all look at this. It is a tire shop. Now, my husband loves piddling in the garage or in garages or with cars. And he's constantly doing something with some kind of tire around here. We have the tractor tire, the truck tire, the lawnmower tire, the four-wheeler tires. Somebody's tires he's always fooling with. There's a low one, there's something in one, we gotta go get one fixed, whatever. But I thought this little car on here was so cute, and all the different size tires. Look at that. Isn't that adorable? Look at that. I think it's cute. There's a tire on the roof. If I'd let my husband, there'd probably be tires on a roof of something around here, but I won't let him do that. But anyway, this only has 16 colors. The drills, The symbols are all uppercase letters in random order. And we're going to go down and look at the drill field. A lot of color blocking in the background. Let's see. Move it around. A little bit of confetti. I don't know. It's not bad, I guess. It's got some confetti in it. Here, let me move that. There in the tires. Yeah. All right, we'll back out. And look at the colors. And here are the colors. So not bad. It's going to be a little colorful. All the blues. There's some reds in there. A couple different shades of blues. Some pinks. Some greens. So yeah. That is cute. Super cute. All right. Let's see. Let's move on to the next one. And these may all be Vintage Village. I'm not sure. All I did was cut open the end of it. I will link these in the description box below for you. This one comes pre-kitted up too. Wow. Alright. I'm sorry guys. Typical toolkit. Didn't even tell you. Typical toolkit. Your plate of wax, your pen, and your little green tray. All you need to diamond paint. I don't... Yeah, there was one in that one. I just didn't see it. Alright. Let me give this a roll back. Hope everybody's having a great day. Wherever you are. Day, night. Middle of the night. Whenever you choose to come and watch me, I thank you for it. I appreciate you so very, very much. So, okay. Look at this. The candle shop. This is the candle shop. This one has 16 colors. Got some flowers in it, and of course the candles. A couple of lamp posts. A little wreath on the door. Oh, I made a mess out of that. There we go. That's better. Let me come back up here. Fix this side. All right. That's much better. There it is. Little candle shop. Super cute. Yeah, that's really cute. Let's have a look at the drill field. Again, a lot of color blocking in the background and then some confetti. I believe the letters are going to come out in this one. I'm pretty sure the one in the tire shop will as well, but yeah. This is a nice combination of confetti and color blocking, it looks like. Some line blocking. Yeah. And then you see drills here. You have these pretty drills, different color, pinks, whites, kind of a minty green, and grays, browns, some brick red. So yeah, nice little color palette for that. So there is that one. All right. Let me move this down here. How many do I have in here? I think I have 2 more. Okay, yeah. All right. That over to the side. I don't know what this one is. This is a 30 by 30. Oh, I remember. Typical toolkit. Drills come pre-kitted up in the top baggies. Oh, this is going to come out. Okay, here we go. This is cute. And the colors are really going to come out on this, I think. It's going to brighten this one up a little bit. Brighten it up a little bit. Sorry guys, I gotta get a little drink. I'm a little dry. But look at this. It's a craft shop. Now this one has 14 colors. And it is symbols. All symbols. I didn't tell you what the other one was. Just told you how many colors was in it. I'm sorry, I apologize. But they will be linked in the description box below. Isn't that cute? It's a little craft shop. Look, there's the moon and some stars. And then you got your little lights, fairy lights up here around your roof. Oh, how adorable. Some yarn, looks like, maybe. Paint brushes, bottles of stuff, who knows. Isn't that cute? All right, so I'm gonna bring you down to look at the drill field, and you see it is all symbols, upside down, right side up T's, arrows, lines, just it looks like lowercase u and lowercase n, which are just opposite symbols. So if you're going to turn this one, you might want to be very, very careful if you're turning your painting while you're doing it. I would keep it in one orientation, in the right orientation to do this one, or you're going to get confused really quickly. So, yeah. Yeah, but I thought it was so cute. And then here are your beautiful, look at the colors. So this is going to pop. These colors are going to make this pop just a little bit more than what the canvas looks like. Super, super cute. I like it. I like that one a lot. All right. I'm going to back out just a little bit more. Okay. This one is a 30 by 32 or as 30 by 30 as well. There we go. Better grammar. Oh, this one is, I like this one too. This one's, oh, I like it. It's also pre-kitted up. Oh, it comes with an inventory sheet. You get your typical toolkit. And I'll give it a roll back. This one's so pretty. I do a backward and a sideways roll on mine when they're small like this. But look at that. It's a Bible shop. I thought that was sweet. And this one has 15 colors. One is 1, 2 is 2, 3, all the way through 8. And then 9 through 15 are uppercase letters in alpha order. Yeah, so good. This is so cute. And the letters will come out for the store. And the cross will come out up at the top. Oh, sorry about that. That was a loud smack. But yeah. so pretty. I like that. Let's come in. Drill field's very clear. The letters, like I said, are going to come out just fine. Oh, I hear you guys. Do y'all have stink bugs in your neck of the woods? It's either I'm fighting stink bugs or ladybugs all year long. Okay, so there's your drill field. And again, this has a inventory sheet with it, which is cool. I like the inventory sheet. Sometimes I use these to do my kitting up. There we go. So the number, then your symbol, and again your symbol, how many it takes, how many are your, goodness gracious, your DMC code, and then how many diamonds that I'm going to assume they sent. That's what they sent, so, of each color. And then here are your pretty drills. So, y'all, my white is not the best, and I'm not sure how good that's going to come. That's a pink, and that's a peachy color. I may have to do something with the lighting. Not sure what yet. Of course, the whites, the browns, the grays. But it's going to be really pretty. Really, really pretty. So, all right, guys. That's all I have for you today. Thank you so very, very much for joining me. Remember, show the love of Jesus always. Always be kind to others. Give someone a kind word or a smile, because you never know what a difference you're going to make in that person's life. God bless each and every one of you. Until next time, I'll see you. Bye now.